Hey everyone, I'm Pion and welcome to Pion's Primal Perception. Today I'm going to share my very first experience with While True Learn. So this apparently is a video game about machine learning. I have no idea how this is going to play out, but it sounds right up my alley, so let's give it a shot, shall we? It's supposed to enter early access anytime soon, and well, the first thing I notice is there is no sound, so there's that, but well, let's jump in, shall we? So put down my name. Okay, @catmeow. Sure, why not? Can I change that? No, apparently I can't. So I'm stuck with that email domain. Gender prediction. Learn something new. Money. Epoch. Anti. Okay, we're in the 1936 to 1980 epoch apparently. Okay. Startups. Create startup. Coming later, so we can't do that yet, I guess. So this is a job, gender prediction. Good morning. People often forget to mark the gender in questionnaires. Can you predict it by name? Interesting. So I guess this is like the first mission. We have to achieve an accuracy of 100%. Oh, there was a Unity launcher, by the way, before we start the game, in case you're wondering about option menus. Only resolution options, so well, yeah, mostly. We have 18 seconds. I guess the computer has 18 seconds to figure it out. And there's a reward of $75. Let's learn something new. What can we get here? Buy library with block. Upgrade PC. No, this is all locked. So I guess we go here later. Let's just jump into the first level. There doesn't seem to be any tutorial or anything. Okay, let's try to figure this out on our own. Well, my own. To be honest, you can't help me, I guess. Current task, except for shouting at the computer, that always works. So keep shouting. Gender prediction, money, time, 18 seconds, estimated cost, servers cost per second. Okay, so we have servers running, so I guess we put thingies in. So these are our modules or something. This is the input, output. We have to somehow make it figure out what's going on. I guess those are the inputs. Blue 10, green 0, red 10. Why is there no tutorial? Oh god. So the more modules we put in, the higher the server cost. That makes sense. I guess we have to sort them. Can we connect this, or how does this work? Yeah, okay. If red. Maybe like this? What does time 10 say? Mean? I don't seem to be able to change that. I assume this will sort red and blue to up and down. I assume. Let's do a test run. So the thing is, oh, that's the number of thingies coming in. Okay, that makes sense. And yeah, this is apparently exactly what it does. I guess time 10 means this module takes 10 something milliseconds or whatever. Not milliseconds, probably. I don't know. Maybe that's the time it takes to filter or sort, but I'm not sure. So test was complete, success, time 14, so we were quick enough. Money spent per run, block. No money spent? Why not? Weird. Blocks used, so oh, they're called blocks, okay. One server, average network idle 1%, average network 0%. Outputs. Okay, I guess we're good. We have 9 out of 8 occupancy. Interesting. Can we? Okay, let's just try something. If we put down another module here and just do this, what will he do? So first, will they go up or down, or will they go random? And second, will this increase time? I assume. It seems like they actually go randomly up or down. Well, the first one did go down. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And was that slower? I actually didn't remember the time. 13.9. Can we speed this up? Yes, we can. Oh, double only, but should be enough. It's not too many seconds. No, that's exactly the same time. So I don't know what the time means. Estimated cost $27 because it runs for 40 seconds and takes. Yeah, that makes sense. $2 per second. That's about right. A little less than 14 seconds. 14 seconds, so that makes sense. And we get 74. Release and check, I guess. Custom blocks. What? What? Okay, they're base blocks. This is the base block we just used. They're custom blocks, whatever that is. Red-blue divide, I guess. In progress. 0 time. What is? You can't use blocks in themes where it was created. What? This is the whole block. Okay, so I guess we can reuse our solutions from earlier levels. I think. This action requires to rent servers. Are you sure that you are tested the scheme and ready to launch? Are you sure that you are tested scheme? I think this is not grammatically correct, but I might be mistaken here as a non-native speaker. So let's see. Unfortunately, that there's no sound whatsoever. That's a little. Wait, maybe there. Oh wait. Is there? No, there's no sound. Okay, I was scared for a moment because I didn't actually test my headphones. My headphones might not have been connected or something, but it seems like there's no sound on the gauge. So should be fine. So we got money. I guess that's what we paid. So we should have like 49 left. Yeah, there we go. 100 we started with plus 49. Okay, cool. Next quest. Sure, it's a quest. Why is it called quest? Okay, errors in database. Hello, we have some errors in our questionnaires data. We can't solve the problem. Can you fix it? We have 70 seconds. We get 80 bucks. Okay, so errors in database. So okay, I think what this means is that the expected output is we need all red and greens in here and not the blue ones. And we just got a trash can. So I guess what we do is we put all the blues here. What happens? What happens now? Where do the green ones go? Let's test. I have no idea. Oh, they just... No, they move... I guess they move randomly, maybe? Yeah, they move randomly, which is unfortunate. That's still okay, though. We can improve that, though. Ah! Stop it. No, wait, that's the wrong one. Up. So blue and green ones might end up here. So we just do this, and we should be good. And it might be cheaper because it takes less time to get the required amount of things in here, I assume. Yeah, it was faster. Cool. So we use more blocks though, but I don't think blocks are the measurement of price, right? More blocks doesn't increase the server cost. No, we just need one server. So I guess we will have more servers later. So this should be good. We could now use this one instead. This will divide red blue. So we could, instead of this one, we could use that one. Right? Does it do reds go up or down? I think reds are actually going up. Are they? Yeah, they are. Stop. In that case, so I assume this will have the same result when it comes to time and money. No, it took way longer. For some reason, this was way slower. I'm not sure why. Or was that random? I mean, they come in a random order, so that might just be in bad luck. No, okay, there seems to be some variation. Wait, there was something about an average destiny time or something. Average destination time. Okay, that's not helping. Now it's down to 11.4. So yeah, it's random. But I think this has exactly the same effect as using this one. That should be the case. Let's just release and see what happens. So it went fairly slow, or at least, well, average, I guess. I had faster and slower results. So we got some money and go to the next task, I guess. Really unfortunate to not have any sound, especially because the game is supposed to enter early access in the next few days, so that's a little weird. Can we buy something now? No, it's still locked. I don't know if this will unlock in this version of the game at all. Interesting so far, I have to say. We will see how complex this gets later. Errors in database number 2. So far, it's not much about machine learning, right? So far, it's about sorting or sorting blocks, I guess. Hello, this is us again. We found some new types of errors made by users. Please update your program. This will be easier if you will use the previous version of the code. Yeah, sure. So we can use what we used so far. So we have, we only want the red ones now. Okay, so we take without blue. And then we do, so we get red and green now, which we put in here, and we say the green ones go into the trash. All the red ones go out here. Looks good. I wonder if the distance of the green lines actually has any effect on the time the things move. Can we make this go slower, or will they just move quicker? I think this will actually take more time now. Yeah, we're totally running out of time. Okay, that's good to know. That's weird. So let's try to optimize this a little. I'm still not sure what the time 10 means. I guess that's the time it takes to progress the thingies in there. Probably. I'm not sure what 10 actually is. It's not 10 seconds, obviously. I don't know. I wonder if this time changes if I solve the first few solutions slower or faster. I don't know. We failed. Shit. I guess we got super unlucky with the distribution, which is a little weird. Like, it's weird that the input is random and you're rated based on that. Let's test run again just to make sure I didn't screw anything up. But yeah, we get all the red ones here. Yeah, I just got super unlucky, I guess. Well, not super unlucky. It's pretty easy to screw up. That was 16.9 seconds. So time is really critical on this one. Can we speed this up by not using this one? We can just say all the blue ones go to the trash. Now green will come out here though. This should not change anything, right? That probably runs at the same speed. Yeah. About the same speed. Let's see if we get lucky this time. Nope, we don't. Oh, I guess we're wasting money then. This is unfortunate game design, I have to say. Or I'm missing something. I might be missing something. But in that case, why is there no tutorial? God damn it. Come on. This is, yeah, annoying. And again, we don't get reds. Am I missing something? There's no bug in the speed up option or something, right? Like there might be a bug if you run it at double speed that it's harder to complete or something, but no, I don't think so. I just got unlucky the last time. Got lucky this time though. Okay, got a terrible time, but at least we made it. So this mission did cost us money, but I unlocked the next one. Sorry, I'm a little sick, so sorry for the coughing. Optimization of the code. Hi, this is us again. We hope it's out the last request to you. We changed our database system. Can you update your code last time? It must work faster. Thanks. Even faster, you say. Ah, we got a new block though. Decision tree color. Seems to do exactly the same thing, just in less time. I guess. So yeah, we're definitely gonna use that. Oh, that was close. That was close again. There only 1 second left. Well, let's go with that. I'm not sure if there's another difference between those two blocks. There might be. Besides the obvious speed difference. A little weird. Okay, I want to play a little more because I want to see where this is going. So far, this is not too challenging. More frustrating. Good afternoon. Oh, sales prediction. Good afternoon. We already bought Christmas trees for holiday. Friends said that you can calculate when there will be a peak demand for the goods. Help us, please. Okay, that sounds a little bit more interesting. Okay. So we get a lot of greens, a few reds, and a few tens. We have to split the greens. I don't know what this has to do with machine learning, but I don't know much about machine learning, so this might be about machine learning, and I just don't realize. So we have to, I think we have to get 8 greens in here and 9 whatever in here. So we get more greens than the other two together though. So greens are the most common ones. So we definitely want to get some greens up here for optimized speed, right? I think. Not too many though. So we just we just split off the red and the blue ones, I think, and that should be it. And then we get some greens up there. No, wait. Oh, there's an any now. Oh, we didn't have that. Did we have that before and I just missed it? Maybe. Will this still get red ones in the lower one? Let's test that really quick before I make any assumptions. So, will all red ones go? No, they will not. Okay, so any will definitely get some of the other ones in that direction as well. So we want all red ones to the top. So we cannot go with any to the bottom. So let's just go with blue. So if we don't select green anywhere, well, we can do any here. No. If I pick any here, then we will get blue ones in here. So I don't want that. So if I pick red, blue here, then we get all the red ones in the upper one, all the blue ones in the lower one, and the green ones will split. So we get some greens up there. Then we get greens and blues here. So the blues will go up and the greens will split again. That might be okay. Let's see. No, that's not enough greens in the lower end. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to say green here. So all the green ones will... Now that makes... Yeah, that's okay. Now blue ones will go up and down. That's fine. So we get green and blue still here and get all the blue ones up there. That should... Oops. Still work, right? That seems like a pretty decent balance. Let's run that again. This one was a little slower to fill up. Still. So we could speed that up even more. Okay, what happens if we change that? So if we make this blue and this green. So half of the greens will go down. I don't think it matters, does it? Half of the greens will go down here. And now all the greens will go down here. So half of the greens will go up and half of the green. Oh, that might make a difference. Wait. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. If I if I split green off here, then it's still half and half. Oops. So it doesn't really matter. In both cases, I get half of the greens up and half of the greens down, which makes the higher one faster. Can I change that without slowing down the whole process? I could put more thingies in, but that will probably not help. I mean, we could try. All the greens are in here. Half of them go up, half of them go down. So if we just put another one here and say any, we get a few more. Oh wait, no, that gets us more to the upper output, which is not what we want. We want more to the lower output. Yeah, it would be possible. I'm not sure if you can probably optimize this a little bit, but let's not get stuck on this. This seems like a valid solution. Yeah, that's okay. Let's go with that. Now it gets a little bit more interesting, I have to say. Because now you can start balancing and optimizing the outputs. Parallel calculations. Hello, we wrote to you from the science center. Our current program is very slow. Can you parallelize calculations? I mean, we can try. What is this? Time. This takes 2 servers. What's it called? It doesn't have a name. I don't know what it does. So we get red ones. We have to split them. Oh, I guess this will split them. I don't know. Oh, this has time 1. Oh, okay. Well, it takes 2 servers. So this is super fast, but it uses multiple servers. And I guess it just splits the input. It's the only block we have available anyway. So that's a shame. Because that makes the level pretty trivial. I hate when games do that. Don't take away the pieces if you don't have a good reason. Like Silicon Zeros had a good reason. It actually used restricted modules to create certain puzzles. That doesn't seem to be the case here. Okay, one more. Big parallel calculations. Hey, our polarization system broke after the last Door OS upgrade. Can you fix it? That's a joke on Windows OS. It's Doors OS. Get it? Can you fix it? It was a very big system. Be careful. Okay. Got a lot of money for that. That was 300, I think. So we get lots of reds. We have to split it into 4. Well, that's gonna be easy. Gonna be fairly expensive, but we get a big reward. So we could use that instead, but it's just one of those anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. Not much of a challenge. Got a lot of money though. Can we still, no, still everything locked here. Okay, I want to get one interesting one before I wrap up the video. Predictions of president elections. Good morning. It's Yahoo's core president of our partner company dismissed last month, so there is an election right now. We need to know who will be the winner of the election to decide what to do with the relationship between our companies. Do it and you'll receive a payment. $500. That sounds great. Sorry again. Okay, we get lots of different pieces. 80, 60, 60. So most of them are red, but not too many. We have the decision tree thingy and that one, and all the custom blocks, or not, maybe not all, only red fast, all G divide, RR parallel. Those names are not helpful. What is all G divide? All green divide? I don't know. So what do we have to do? We have to split the red ones and get rid of the rest. So we need... Yeah, okay, that's actually pretty easy. No, wait. We say green ones go to the trash, rest goes here. Blue ones go to the trash, rest goes here. And we split the red ones up and down. And we should be good. And to optimize travel time, we have to rearrange that stuff a little bit. I guess it doesn't matter where I put the trash can because that one is not part of the time constraint. Do we have enough time for this? Ooh, yeah, okay, we have. A little bit more interesting, but still fairly basic. I'm still not sure if this is, like, when I think of machine learning, I think about, like, having to train a neural net or something along those lines, and then use it to whatever. I don't know what machine learning is exactly, but you train the neural net, and then you use it to you give it real data and see what it does. We're not doing this here. We're just sorting inputs. which is not necessarily a bad thing. I think you can make a good puzzle game out of this. I'm not sure how close this is to real machine learning though, but as I said, I have no idea what machine learning exactly is, so this might be the basics of machine learning, I don't know. Okay, let's check one more, and see what, okay, it gets a little bit more interesting now. We need 10 reds or greens and 30 reds or blues, with the same same blocks available. We get lots of reds here and only a few blues. Yeah, okay, so now it gets a little bit more challenging, especially if the time constraint is tight, which it might be. I'm a little weird. I'm a little weird. Yeah, I'm a little weird, but it's not what I wanted to say. I'm a little confused by the game. Not because it's not clear how it's working, just because it's a little, like, game design wise, it's a little rough. Okay, first of all, there's some technical things, like there's no sound, there's no tutorial, and yeah, all that things, and everything looks a little like prototypey, to be honest. The quests and everything is locked, and the graphical interface for this main screen is pretty basic as well. That's not necessarily a problem, but it just gives you a rough first impression. But game design wise, it's rough as well. Like, the level design doesn't seem to be, yeah, it's not great so far. It's the best way to describe it. It's the difficulty jumps up and down quite a bit. There doesn't seem to be a clear, like, a path we're following to a certain goal, or like just learning new things. It's just throwing things at us fairly randomly. It's a little weird, I put it that way. It's definitely interesting though, so definitely gonna keep my eye on that, probably play a little more and see what I can make out of this. But so far I'm not super intrigued by it yet, but it's a cool idea. I'm just not sure if the developer is able to execute it well. So I'm gonna find out. So see ya then, I guess. It's called While True Learn, which is an interesting name for a programming game, and I will put the link in the description below. I'm TH Pion, thanks a lot for watching, have fun, and see you next time.